Welcome, today in front of me TOSCIDO M863 and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So let's first launch the settings application, and after that tap here on the sound section. After that you'll see here the default notification sound section. Click here and switch your current notification sound just to one from this available sounds which you will like. After that, just tap here to OK, and now we can see here the changes that we just successfully changed our notification sound on our TOSCIDO device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.